unboxing my BoxyCharm Premium. This is the first time actually I've gotten a premium box. I just got off the wait list this month, so I'm super excited. This theme is BoxyCharm, Breaking the Ice. So inside, let's see, we have Too Faced, Tula Skincare, Farsáli, Kat Von D Beauty, Bliss, and $1 Billion Brows. So let's take a look. Alright, so here's the brow kit. Best brow kit ever. So by $1 Billion Brows, it looks like there's a universal brow pencil, a brow duo pencil, a smudge brush, and clear brow gel. So that looks cool. I'm definitely going to try this one out. Let's see, up next we have Palm Spring Dreams. Let's see, I'm going to open this one up and see what colors we have in here. Let's see. So we have some really awesome, I love that blue called Swank. That looks really awesome. I'm excited to try that one. Dirty Martini is pretty cool too, the gold color. Cool, so this looks like a really fun palette to try. Alright, we have Bliss Pore Patrol Deep Detox 4 Clay Souffle Mask. So we'll definitely try that one out. Let's see, controls oil, minimize the look of pores without a dry or tight feeling. So we'll definitely try this one out. I'm excited. I like skincare. Okay, let's see. Farsáli, I really hope I'm saying that right. Liquid Glass Radiance Serum. Use as a radiating skin serum or as a primer before makeup application. So that's cool. So maybe we'll try it as a primer when I do my makeup next. Alright, let's see. It looks like Kat Von D, Lolita. We have some eyeshadow. Nice. Oh, cool. So it's her, for the first time ever, Kat's mega hit lipstick shade is now an eyeshadow. Awesome. So we'll definitely try that in like a smoky eye look. And then last but not least, let's see. Tula Skincare Keep It Clear Acne Foam Cleanser. I've never gotten a cleanser that was specifically for acne before. So that's awesome. Cool. 100% free from a lot of stuff I can't pronounce anyway, so I guess it's good that it's not in this product if I can't even say it. Awesome. So we're definitely going to try this. I'm probably actually going to try it tonight to take my makeup off. Sweet. Alright guys, so that is my first BoxyCharm Premium box. I didn't have a choice this time to be able to pick any of the products just because I think it was because I just got off the wait list. So hopefully next time I'll be able to pick some products that can go in here. But again, this was BoxyCharm, Breaking the Ice. If you haven't subscribed yet, definitely should consider it. I'm going to put a referral code or link inside my story so that way you guys can check it out. Alright, bye guys.